Want Amazon to fulfill your eBay orders? I'll show you how to do it in today's video. So with Amazon MCF to eBay, when somebody orders on your eBay, clicks add to cart, buy now, it automatically notifies Amazon and Amazon ships it to the customer. This is completely allowed. It is not drop shipping. It's actually utilizing Amazon services for good to help increase your sales, especially because Amazon's really good at fulfillment, really good at logistics, and really good at shipping. So the first thing you're going to do is go into your Amazon account and make sure you have FBA inventory. You have to have FBA inventory for this to work. So make sure you have that listing set up. You have FBA inventory. Next is you're going to go into eBay. So you're going to go into eBay and pretty much, let me just double check. Next, you're going to go into eBay, go into your active listings, create the same exact listing that's on your Amazon account. Make sure it has the same SKU. So see the SKU right here? You need to make sure the SKU is exactly the same as the SKU on eBay. On eBay, it's called custom label SKU. You're just going to edit this and then make sure it's exactly the same and it matches the exact one that's shown on your Amazon account. That way, the tool that I'm about to show you knows that they're connected and it uses SKU pretty much to connect them. So make sure the SKU is correct. So you're going to put that and you're going to submit that and just make sure it's the same SKU on Amazon that it is on eBay, right? Next, you're going to go to Google, type in map my channel web, and then B as in little insect that flies, right? You're going to do that. Then you're going to see mapmychannel.com. You're going to click on that. It's going to take you right here. You're going to click login. Once you log in, it's going to take you right here. Then you're going to click sign up. You're going to sign up and then you're going to click and it's going to take you right here to connect it. The first account you're going to connect is your eBay account. So connect that account. Next, it's going to have you connect your Amazon account, and then set it all up and you're ready to go. Now, the next thing we're going to do is it's going to look just like this once you connect your accounts, and it connects very seamlessly and easily. And I've used this plenty of times. You're going to go to integration and just turn all of these on. Make sure the order sync is on, the inventory sync, the tracking sync. Same with Amazon. I like to do the order sync and the inventory sync and the tracking sync. I don't like to do the price sync, but you can do that if you want. If you want it to have the same price on both platforms, click manage your mappings and set that up. So this depends on your shipping options, right? So if we're doing, I do USPS first class on eBay, that's what shows. I just put on USPS first class. I also have some other different methods. So just add those. You can also do standard shipping method, click plus, add those. And then that way, when somebody orders on eBay, it's like, oh, you did USPS first class, and then it notifies, and then it kind of connects to Amazon very seamlessly. So make sure you put in your shipping. You can just check on eBay what shipping method you use, right? It's going to be right there. Usually it's going to be standard method or something along those lines. Next, you're going to click the edit button and edit. Make sure you go through all the settings. Edit button, go through all the settings just to make sure everything, like you can turn it on where you can have Amazon only ship in blank boxes, right? And you're probably going to want that instead of them receiving an Amazon box, because then the eBay customer is going to be worried or be like, what the heck did you rip me off? So that might happen. So make sure you edit all these settings and you're good to go. After that, you're going to go to the orders tab. So what you want to do is have a friend place an order. So have a friend place an order and make sure it's all works seamlessly, right? Don't place an order yourself, because if you do, eBay might find out and suspend you. So you don't want to be ordering your own product. It's going to look like you're manipulating eBay. So have a friend order it, and then let's just see how it works. It should come in within an hour. It should show up right here in the orders tab. And then all of a sudden, after around a couple hours, you'll see it show up on Amazon. So it's actually going to show up on Amazon, put in the order information for you, all of the tracking, all of the shipping, and then it's right when Amazon does ship, it takes the tracking number from Amazon and puts it into eBay. So so pretty much you don't have to really do anything. The hardest part initially is getting this set up. Once it's set up, you can just relax and you're like, good to go. Now you can list as much as you want on eBay because Amazon is doing all of the shipping, which is amazing. So, and if there is issues, you can also go to the support. They have really, really good support. It's all free. If you can go to billing, the plans, it's free. So they do have a free plan and it's free. So who the heck cares? It's awesome. And then of course, if you're making tons of sales, 500 orders a month, then you can upgrade to the 29, right? I don't have an affiliate link. I'm not affiliated. They just work really, really well. If you want a more in-depth tutorial where I show you exactly how I connect my Amazon account, that takes a lot of extra time, a lot of extra editing. So we do, if you go to our website and in our description, we have all of our courses. You can go to services, courses, and then you're going to see all of our courses. And we actually have a full course right here if you really want the step by step by step by step by step, right? And that took me a lot of time to create, but this video should be enough if you want to do it yourself. So I'm giving you everything you need pretty much, but if you want to be handheld through this, we do have a course that it's heavily edited. So you really have every single step on what I did to set it up. But again, you pretty much have the gist of how to do it yourself and you should be good to go. But that's it for today's video. If you want more eBay or Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel. So we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. Of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we're going to fully manage your inventory, help you connect to different platforms like your eBay, your Walmart, your Etsy, your TikTok, which is pretty awesome. Call Amazon, design, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is you can spend time working on your business while we're setting up and growing your business for you without you even lifting a finger, because all this is automated with these great tools. We're going to help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.